Learn to isolate yourself. It is not proper to love people to an extent where you need to inherit their enemies. Isolate yourself. If you come from a family where there is bitterness, learn to isolate yourself. Don't inherit the problems of your father or your mother. Isolate yourself. Never be in a place of conflict resolution where you solve a problem and inherit the problem. Isolate yourself. In this world, we will do all we can do, but we are not God. It is only God who can carry the burden of men. He said, "Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Make sure you don't carry what is supposed to be carried by God. There is a weight that only God should carry and not you. And that's why God doesn't want you to be worried. Learn to be wise by wisdom, to isolate yourself. God bless you.